In the previous videos, we worked through part one where we had to follow the steps to work out what our wage was going to be plus our overtime rate. And then we also had a look at how much we would get paid if we got paid by piecework. So you would have already finished these calculations that I'm scrolling through now. And what we're going to look at is this section of the assignment, and we're going to move into part two. So up here, the employer also gave you the information for weeks 2, 3 and 4 in the table alongside. Okay, so that's referring to this table here. Now, if I haven't filled in the information for you yet, please come and see me, but hopefully if you've got your assignment sheet, that should all be filled in. Okay, so you decided it would be more efficient for you to work out the weekly payments over 4 weeks of payment information and sales data using a spreadsheet. So you're going to use this information, okay, weeks 2, 3 and 4, as well as the information that you've been provided up here in week 1. So don't forget to refer back to that when you do start to make your spreadsheet. Okay, so part 2, what it's asking you to do is to create a spreadsheet with the following headings and fill in all the given information for weeks 1 through to 4. Now what you will need to do is you will need to open up Excel. Okay, I've already had it pre-opened with the information that I need, but the steps for you, okay, if I show you to open up a new Excel document, so click on the Excel icon, so you'll find that in your programs bar. If I click on, what should I click on to show you? Actually no, okay, I'll close out of this and we'll start from the start. So I click on Microsoft Excel. Okay, you are going to need to click on the blank workbook. Okay, and that's going to show you a screen like this. This is where you need to be. Now just bear with me, because what I'll do is I'll open my template so you can see what you need to do to fill in the headings. So what I need you to do now before you move any further is to make your Excel document look like mine. Okay, you're going to have these headings: week, standard hours worked, overtime hours worked, number of orders taken, standard hourly rate, overtime rate, rate per order taken, weekly wage, weekly piecework payment. Okay, you must have all of those headings. Underneath week, you need to have weeks 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the first part we're going to look at. Okay, and underneath that, in the column below week 4, okay, or sorry, in the row below week 4, I want you to have total weekly wage. This information that I'm highlighting here will not be the same for you. Okay, so you need to find this information which is on your task sheet. Okay, and you find that information by looking in this box here, as well as the information up the top here. Okay, so you need to fill in, okay, all of this information into these headings. Once you have done that, we are going to show you how you can calculate your weekly wage or piecework using an Excel spreadsheet. So I'll give you time to do that once you've set it up. So it should look like this. Okay, your headings should all look like this, and then you are going to fill in the information in those boxes. Once you have done that, okay, check with your teacher, okay, to make sure that there are no mistakes. Then you'll progress to the next video.